Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the multiple job opportunities for experience as well as for freshers, and we will also share with you the work from home, the remote jobs, so that you can apply for those job opportunities. So let me share the details. But before that, if you are getting stuck in your career and you are unable to focus or you are unable to get the direction, then feel free to book the call here. So this is a career guidance call which you can book via TopMate, and I'll connect with you one is to one, and we will definitely assist you with the doubts if you're not getting calls or if your resume is not getting shortlisted, if your Naukri profile is not getting selected, you're not getting calls from job market, how to prepare, what to prepare, what is the strategy, what is the roadmap, all those things would be shared with you. So feel free to book a call with respect to the career guidance on the TopMate. Now, apart from this, I would like to tell you about one important thing before we move ahead. See, 8th of March is a Women's Day. So many companies will be hiring for women. So if you are somebody who is having a career gap or who is having a break, so feel free to apply during this particular time period during March, because there are many companies who would be hiring for women's, because the companies during this tenure they want to showcase the testimonials on their websites that we are hiring women, we are helping them to move back into the career. So all of the positions would be open. So you can see 8th of March, 7th of March, multiple walk-in drives will be there. Already companies have started putting the information on the LinkedIn as well. So there are multiple opportunities. So let me also share those opportunities with you. So stay till the end of the video and definitely would share all those job opportunities with you. So let's start with the walk-in drive. So TCS company is hiring for the Mumbai-based location, and these are all the roles that they are looking for. Java, Spring Boot, Java, full stack developer, automation testing, Selenium, Java, accessibility testing, Selenium, robot framework, Python developer, performance testing, QE, ETL automation, AS400, Azure Databricks. So walk-in drive is on 7th of March. 4 to 10 years of experience required. Registration time is 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And you can apply here. And this is the venue details. Then there's a remote job opportunity for QA automation engineer, Java, Selenium, SQL. Strong hands-on experience in Java and Selenium automation required. Expertise in SQL for data validation. Experience in building and maintaining scalable automation frameworks is required. Familiar with Agile and CI/CD environments. So you can share your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for Dassault system. They are looking for QA with JavaScript. So location is Pune, and this is the referral email address wherein you can apply. Okay, so this is one of the referral email address. There's also one of the referral email address, and the positions that are opened in the Dassault systems. So the positions are, let me show you those positions. So these are the positions for which hiring is going on. Quality engineer, quality engineer, AI quality assurance engineer, 2 to 5 years, 0 to 3 years, even freshers. So location is Pune, and the job ID. You have to share the job ID in the subject line. That's mandatory. Next company which is hiring for multiple positions is Experion Technologies. So let me zoom this so that you can read this. Okay. So they are hiring for multiple positions starting from 1 year to 25 years. You can see associate director, solution architect, full stack developer, .NET. Okay. Image might not be, but you can see all these details on their careers page. Data architect, technical architect, DevOps engineer. You can see the senior QA automation engineer, 6 to 10 years. Automation testing, Selenium with Java or Cypress automation. The location is also provided: Kochi, Trivandrum, Bangalore. Right. So these are the roles for the QA automation. Then BA, then senior QA with respect to Cyprus is also there. So multiple opportunities are there. This is the name of the company, Experion Technologies. And don't worry, I'm going to share the referral details also with you. So you can use that referral. Okay. So let me share the referral details. Yeah, this is the referral details. Sachin.shankar at experienglobal.com. Okay. So this is a company which is hiring. Then this company, there is walk-in drive for QA automation. They are looking for freshers. So walk-in drive date would be 6th and 7th March. Timings would be 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Experience is fresher to 1 year. So they are looking for fresh graduates, good understanding, someone who has good understanding of manual and automation testing, execute manual and automated tests. All of these things are required. And you need to carry updated resume, original Aadhaar card with you, right? So that is mandatory. Then QA engineer hiring is going on. Again, remote, 5 years of ETL testing experience is required. Expertise in insurance domain, API testing, these things are required. Then there's a requirement for QA round the clock technologies. Interviews will be face to face. QA manual, 2 to 5 years of experience, strong experience in API testing is required. Then DevOps engineer, again, location is Noida. Then Innova Solutions is hiring for QA tester position. And if you're interested, you can apply here. You can share your CV at this particular email address itself. Okay. Then EPAM Coimbatore is hiring for automation testers 8th of March. So this is for the Coimbatore location. And the JD, they have given automation testing in JavaScript, TypeScript, 6 to 15 years of experience, any notice period. Any notice period means 90 days of notice period is also fine. Then automated testing in Python. 6 to 15 years, again, any notice period. Skill set is Selenium, Python, PyTest. Interview date and location is 8th of March, and it would be Sunday, and the location is Coimbatore. So this is the email address wherein you have to share your resume along with the current CTC, expected CTC, and the notice period details. Right. So apart from this, also there are multiple opportunities. So you share those details. Okay. So yeah. So this is with respect to TCS company, which is hiring, right? They're also hiring for Selenium Java automation testers. They're also hiring for Selenium Python robot framework. Accessibility testing is also there, right? So this is the walk-in drive with respect to details of TCS company, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.